We're making some vegetable soup. These are my protein, my goat meat, my cow feet, my kanda. So I'm gonna put in a pressure cooker. So these are all my veggies. To use spinach, I don't have a egg or you don't have pumpkin leaf or butter leaf. So these are my frozen spinach. I have a lot of them. So I couldn't get this so I couldn't get that tribe I'm looking for. So I use my protein, my goat meat, my cow feet, and my kanda, crawfish. I smoked some fish. I nearly forgot this one on the oven, so it nearly get burnt. So I couldn't get the tribe, so I had to be using palm oil. So these are my crawfish, my spinach. So this is the frozen one. I want to do the frozen one on my fish. I have a smoked fish here. So guys, soup is almost done. You guys, I've already cooked this meat with my pressure cooker. So I'm gonna be adding with my veggies right here. I'm gonna add them.